If you need to get your project data out of Jira, maybe for a status update, analysis in Excel, or to share with stakeholders, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to export issues from your Jira project quickly and efficiently, using the built-in CSV or Excel export options. By the end, you'll know how to grab precisely the data you need, so you can work with it outside of Jira in whatever way suits your project best. Let's dive right in. The method we'll look at today is perfect if you want a clear, flat file of your project's issues, ideal for building reports, digging into your data in a spreadsheet, or even sharing updates with teammates. Just keep in mind, this export doesn't include things like project configurations or attachments. It's purely about the issue data itself. All right, first things first. Let's filter down to just the issues you want. Go to the top menu in Jira and click on Filters, then select Advanced Issue Search. This is where you can really fine-tune exactly which issues you want to export. If you're comfortable with JQL, Jira's query language, you can type something like project equals your project name right into the search bar. This tells Jira to pull only the issues from the specific project you're working on. Don't worry if JQL feels intimidating. There's also a basic filter option where you can click and select your project, issue types, status, or whatever other criteria you need. For example, maybe you only want bugs that are still open, or stories completed this sprint. You're in control of exactly which data exports. Now, once you see your filtered list of issues on the screen, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice an Export drop-down menu up there. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, so take a moment to find that, because this is your gateway to downloading the issue data. Click on Export, and you'll see a handful of options. The two most useful formats for most people are Export Excel CSV, all fields, and Export CSV, current fields. If you choose all fields, you get every little scrap of detail Jira has about these issues, even the ones you might not use day to day. This is great if you need a comprehensive snapshot for deep analysis or auditing. On the other hand, current fields gives you just what you're currently looking at on your screen, which can save you time if you've already customized your issue list to just the columns you need. If your needs are a bit different, Jira has a couple of other export formats too. You can grab XML for integrations, Word for more document-centric reports, or even print-friendly views if you're old school and like paper. But for most business intelligence, tracking, and status reports, CSV or Excel will do the trick. When you click your chosen format, Jira will generate the file for you. Depending on how many issues you're exporting, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if it's not instant, especially on bigger projects. Your browser might prompt you to download the file, or it could save directly to your default downloads folder. And that's it! You now have a data export file ready to load into Excel, Google Sheets, or your favorite data tool. From here, you can slice and dice, pivot, chart, or share as much as you like. If this helped, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have more Jira questions. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.